received our Knitcrate yarn for March, and this is just beautiful yarn. And it is the colorway is Titmouse, and it's 75% merino wool, 15% silk, 10% cashmere. It's fingering weight, and it has 400 yards. What that means, 100 grams. And the suggested needle size is 0 to 1 or 2 to 2.5 millimeters. So you hand wash it and lay flat to dry. And I'm not doing that. I'm using a kind of a large hook. I'm using a G hook. And look at this. It came with this bag. And I enjoy it a lot because I can take my knitting anywhere I want. So, make something today. Isn't that nice? So I put my knitting in there. And so, let me show you what to do with this. It has been one of my mantras never to use a busy yarn with an intricate stitch. But I'm feeling bold, and I'm glad because this is turning out really pretty. And I need to show you how the stitch is done, and then come back to do a little of this. Okay, let's see what this stitch is like. I'm not calling it crossed double crochet. I don't know what the name is, but that's what I'm calling it. So you're going to make your slip knot and do an odd number of chains. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 11. And then you're going to skip the first one, and then on the next one you single crochet. And you do it until the end, and you're going to end up having 10 single crochets. Okay, I did my row of single crochets, and now what I want to do is chain 2 up, turn, yarn over, and go into that next stitch. So pick up, and you're going to do a double crochet. So you're always going to have 2 double crochets, either because the 2 chains up count as 1. So I have my 2 there. And now yarn over, I am going to skip that stitch and go into the next one, and I am going to do a double crochet there. Now I want to go into that skipped stitch, the chain there, but from behind that stitch. So from behind the double crochet, I am going to pick up that stitch and do my double crochet. So let's do that again. You are going to, this one has been used for that one, and we're going to skip one, go to the next, and do a double crochet. Then you're going to go to the one that you skipped, from behind that double crochet, and do a double crochet there. So let's do that again. You're going to skip that one, go to the next, double crochet, yarn over, pick up from behind that stitch and go into the stitch that you skipped and do that double crochet. Again, you're going to skip that one, go to the next, double crochet there, yarn over, go to the chain that you skipped from behind the stitch and do your double crochet there. And then the last 2 you double crochet. So that's 1, and right there at the edge is another one. Okay, so let's do that again. Chain 2, turn, yarn over, and single crochet. This stitch belongs to the chain 3. So go to the next one and double crochet there. So because it's on top of the double crochet, the 2 double crochets at the edge. So now you are going to skip that one, go to the next, do a double crochet, and then go behind that stitch to the one that you skipped and double crochet there. Again, you're going to, that one is taken, you skip that one, and that one there you're going to double crochet and then come back into behind the stitch, pick up that one that you skipped and double crochet, and that's all it takes. And it's really pretty stitch. Once you get used to it, it's very easy to make. So let's go and do it on our scarf. Okay, so I have 28 stitches here, which means that I did 29 chains. And then the very first row I did a single crochet, so I had 28, and I started with my double crochets. And I'm going to make this scarf as long as I can, as long as the yarn lasts, because this is just beautiful and I am going to enjoy it a lot. So I am back to the beginning, and let me show you how to do this with this yarn. So I'm right there, and I am going to chain 2, turn, and I am going to single crochet on the next one, and then skip that one, go to the next, double crochet there, yarn over, come back from behind that double crochet, pick up that stitch that I skipped and double crochet there. Again, I am going to skip that one, go into the next, double crochet there, and then yarn over, come back to the one that I skipped from behind that double crochet and double crochet there, and that's it. And then on the last row you do a row of single crochet so it looks the same as at the beginning. So this is just very pretty. All these colors are in style. I went shopping the other day, and there's a lot of things that have the yellow, beige, and white. So this is going to be very pretty. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.